Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working during calls on your Samsung Galaxy A27. First, check the permissions for an app. We're going to open Settings, scroll down to Apps, and here we want to find an app that we use for our calls. If it's the phone app, make sure that you scroll down to the letter P. I'm going to choose the phone app because this is the default one. Here, we have the phone and we got permissions here. We want to make sure that there's access to our phone. There's no straight up microphone option, there's just phone. The phone option is basically our microphone. You can check any other app. For example, if you're talking with somebody, as you guys can see here, we have permissions and there's no permissions allowed. Here we have all permissions, and of course we got the microphone record audio. We need to make sure that, for example, if we're using Meet, that it has access to our microphone. Here we have it. Make sure that if it's on Do Not Allow, then it will not work. If you see Allow only while using the app, it will work just fine. Now you can just go over, hop on the Meet call or hop on the phone call, and then everything will work just fine. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.